Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location in Amazon Flex app. The first thing I want you to do is actually go into the Amazon Flex app, come to the top right and click on this question mark. And then this will redirect you to the help page. And then on the help page you'll see a contact us button here at the top. I want you to go ahead and tap on that. And then here at the bottom you'll actually see an orange button that says send an email. I want you to go ahead and tap on this, and you need to compose an email here where you're basically requesting a change of region or preferred area for deliveries. And I want you to clearly specify which region you would like to switch to in your message. And once you've sent this email to Amazon support team, they'll actually contact you shortly and they will assist you with updating your location settings accordingly. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to Quick Fix.